to say I enjoyed watching last night's debate. All the questions were substantive and on point, and I thought NBC, surprisingly, but most likely because it was under fire, did a good job of not sounding like they were working for MSNBC that night. You know, it was pretty much straight down the middle. However, here is a cardinal sin as a moderator. If I'm asking you two guys questions and you're the presidential candidates, and Emily, you say something and Michael disagrees with you and he jumps in like, no, actually, that's not what you said. I can say, stand by, I'll come to you next. But what happened last night was he would jump in and then he would stop and you would finish your point. And then they'd look at the third person over there and say, hey, you, Bob, here's a brand new topic. And there was fire waiting to be caught. You know, there was lightning in a bottle sitting right there if you would just go to Michael Moynihan. And therefore, what was missing from last night's debate, for the most part, was debate.